Hello, friends. Welcome to Best Tech YouTube channel. Today, we bring you a review of the best LED bulb of 2023. Today, we introduce you Best Sylvania Eco LED, a 19 light bulb. So, let's get started. You can subscribe to this channel to get more informational videos like this. Sylvania provides a complete portfolio of LED products that deliver everyday value without compromising performance. LED light bulbs are a long-lasting way to replace your traditional bulbs while saving both money and energy. This 24-pack of Sylvania LED lamps make an energy-efficient replacement and substitute for standard 60-watt incandescent lamps. At 9 watts, each bulb emits the bright light output of 750 lumens. These LED light bulbs require less energy and can save money on your energy bill. Each soft white light bulb works as a great replacement for old 60-watt incandescent bulbs. Take advantage of an estimated cost per year of only $1.80. These 19 bulbs are a great energy-saving replacement for old incandescent bulbs because each lamp has a total lifespan of up to 7,700 hours. If you want more information about the product, you can check the product links below in the description box. Thanks for watching this video.